Today we are going to learn about all the motion block. First, let a stick move 10 steps. With this sprite can move 10 steps, as you can see. Let me fix the direction of this sprite. Oh. Okay. With this, the sprite will move 10 steps in the direction it is pointing, as you can see. Second, turn 15 degrees. With this sprite will turn its direction, as you can see here. It is changing its direction. You can see. This is done 15 degrees. This is the quite opposite of the second block turn. This is right and this is left. As you can see, we can change. This is the reverse of it. With this, we were doing like this, and with this, we are doing like this. It is the arrow legs pointing towards like this to this. Sorry. And this will go to random position. We can adjust the position we mouse. I set it to mouse pointer. If I click it, it would try to go near the mouse pointer because I have set it go to mouse pointer. If I go random position, then it will go random, like anywhere. Let me show you with a sprite. Let me take banana. So in this, if I tell this sprite to go to bananas, then it would go to bananas. If I click this block, you can see like this, it has gone. If I say go to random position, it will not go near the banana. It will go random, like it can go there, etc. So this is we need to, when we make a game like this cat wants the bananas, so we adjust this position to this, like this is its position, and from there it will walk or jump to get the bananas, and it would increase the score. So we need to adjust the y-axis and the x-axis of this. You can see yes. And this is glide. It would wait 1 second to go to anywhere. Go to this block. It is like this block mixed with this block. It is like that. Now, this is glide to any position. It will wait 1 second and go there. Let me, now its position is this. Now it will glide 1 second to go there. We can see it realistically. If I place this here, so it is we can see it is like flying towards the bananas. Now see, we can see it is flying towards the bananas. Now point in direction. It would make the sprite point in direction. First it was like this, 90, so it would point in direction 90, as you can see. Okay, on this is point towards mouse pointer. Not in direction, it will point was mouse pointer. Like the mouse pointer is here. So it will point here. Because the mouse pointer is here, you see, pointing towards the mouse pointer is here and its direction is also here. Let's adjust the direction. And 90 is the most fifth direction. In every sprite like bananas, you will found a direction like 90. Change XY. We use it in like a arrow keys. Like we use in if space was pressed, then it would change XY. We mostly use events block for the starting. This is a very popular for. Now I have to do forever. Now you will see. Now if I play space bar, then it is going now. And I will click on this random position and then you can see this moving 10 steps in the direction it is pointed. We can also change the X to like 45, 455. So when I press, it would go there. Because 455 is too much. Now you can see this is set X. This is different because we change X and this set X, meaning we make it go to this one. So it would set the x-axis to this whatever number is. And this is if key pressed, then it would change it, not set it. And this is the Y pretty much the same, but the X is horizontal and the Y is vertical. And it has all the things which is in the x-axis. They are both the same, but their vertical and horizontal are same, and their X and Y names. And this is set Y. It is pretty much the X, but it sets Y to this. Let me make it roll. It's set to this position because when we take a block, like I take this, displace its current position, and you can see this is different because that time this was here or something, so this showed. You can see. Let me show you an example. Now if I move this to this, now you can see minus 640 minus 164 to positive 123. The x-axis has changed. If an S bounce, if the sprite is on edge like this, then it would bounce. Let me show you. It is bouncing now. Now let me show you. Let me show you. If wait 1 second. Okay, if I have to take it in forever. Okay. Okay. Now you are seeing, before I didn't put this H1 block, then it was stuck on the edge. Now it is going randomly. It is touching, then bouncing back. Okay. Now this is set the rotation style. It will rotate like how? All around. When we make turn 15 degree, it will move like this. If we make don't rotate, then this block. Wait one second. Okay, and this is the X position. Like we can set X position equal y 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then we wanted if X position equal 1 2 3, then it would, meaning it would do something we want. It would change, we can use randomly. It would point was mouse pointer. Okay. We can also use if X position is greater or lesser than 123 or whatever number you want. Okay. So pretty much is this Y position and direction. Thank you.